Here are the components you'll need to cut to create this unique kinetic sculpture. Refer to the PDF instructions for links to additional components, such as the motor, screws, and power supply. We offer three wood thickness options: 3 mm, 4 mm, and 1/8 inch. We'll continue to update the files with more options over time. After cutting all the parts, sand them down to reduce friction, especially at the contact points of the pattern pieces. Make sure to thoroughly sand each hole on all parts, removing any dust and laser burn marks to ensure smooth screw rotation. Place the motor in the center of the box wall and secure it in place as shown in the animation. Connect the cables to the power supply. Next, assemble the box that will house the motor, using glue to ensure a robust assembly. Once the motor is in place, continue using the shaft connector to connect the motor with the headless M8 screw. Ensure it's tight so it can transfer the rotation to the circular piece. Proceed by aligning the holes of the box with the base of the sculpture and assembling them using glue. Although the box is designed for the specific motor linked in the PDF, it can accommodate other sizes, or you can create an entirely new box to fit the motor you will use. Next, add one of the two M8 nuts onto the M8 screw. Insert the central piece and use the second M8 nut to secure it near the edge, allowing the motor's rotation to transfer to the central piece. Continue assembling the pattern pieces using the M5 binding screws in all the holes, as shown in the animation. Make sure the screws are not too tight so you can adjust them to achieve smooth movement of all parts, preventing any resistance when the kinetic sculpture is in motion. After assembling all the pieces, place the sculpture on top of the base. Then proceed with connecting the three M5x20 screws, as shown in the animation. Use the M5 nuts and washers as demonstrated to secure the screws. Again, leave the screws loose enough to not affect the smooth movement. This will secure the pattern pieces to the base. Final step: connect the axle with the rest of the sculpture, as shown in the animation. Use the single M5x25mm screw, along with a washer and a nut, to assemble the top of the axle. Finally, connect the last M5x20mm screw, along with the remaining washer and nut, to attach the axle to the centerpiece. Ensure that the screw is left slightly loose to reduce friction. Congratulations! You've successfully created the product. Congratulations on building this unique sculpture. Be sure to follow us for more exclusive kinetic sculpture designs. Share your work with others and support us so we can continue to bring you exceptional files like this one. Best regards, Vector Beam Designers.